95M. Master BILRED. What are we hacking today?
First of all, Phoenix, tell me, how are you feeling tonight?
I'm feeling great today, just in the mood to hack some worthy opponents.
Well, that's a very great start. So I need some privacy, turn on some virtual private network.
Turning on some basic virtual private network for you, sir, but I'd suggest you not to be too easy with it. Never trust anything, right?
Okay, Phoenix, can you tell me my CPU usage right now?
Your CPU usage right now is at 2.6%.
Well, that's a very great start. So, Phoenix, I just wanted to tell you that there was a guy who tried to disrespect me in front of everyone. I don't know if he's some kind of psychotic or if some kind of mental disorders. I just need to do some investigations against him. I just need to know who is he.
For open source investigation, we're gonna use Persondozer project created by you, Mr. BILRED.
Okay, Phoenix, let's forget this for now. We are going on a war, lock and load, prepare everything we've got, initialize every sequence we have. We're gonna win this war tonight, and we're gonna take down some bad guys tonight.
All eyes on you, sir. I believe you'll be victorious in whatever you're doing. Let the world know your name. Turning on some very basic virtual private network protocol. Initializing Persondozer. Initializing Subdozer. Initializing Camdozer. Initializing Links Doctor. Initializing SoundFlex version 1.3. Firing up Kali Linux, sir. Sequence 2 is on standby, sir. Just order me, and watch the magic. Turning on some video too. Good luck, and take care, sir.